Hello there, welcome to Georgetown Manor PA. In this video, we're going on a quick tour of a great apartment home located at 375 Girio Terrace. You just saw a beautiful view of the back grassy lot with convenient parking located off to the right. This foyer has recently been remodeled with new flooring, and these steps lead up to our second floor 903 square foot unit. As you enter the front door of the unit, you have a bifold closet for coats and shoes, and then a spacious open living room with glass doors. The open concept flows into the dining room space here. This is your galley kitchen, which includes a refrigerator, electric stove, dishwasher, and a pantry for extra storage. Moving down the main hallway, here's your laundry room with a full-size washer and dryer. These are included with your apartment. This bathroom has all new flooring, lighting, mirrored medicine cabinet, and a vanity with a beautiful modern countertop. There's also a linen closet right behind the door. The main bedroom is located at the end of the hallway and is about 175 square feet. And here you have an awesome extra large walk-in closet. Last stop, the secondary bedroom. This space measures about 115 square feet and has another roomy closet. This space would be perfect for a cozy reading room or a workout studio. Lots of possibilities here. Let's take one last look out the door in the living room. This glass door leads out to a private deck overlooking the backyard. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at georgetownmanorpa.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button, subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. If you want to tour more of our apartments, please check out the playlist on the bottom right. We hope you decide to make Georgetown Manor your home.